Yeah, good day, everyone. My name is Dikin Shirley, and I'm glad to come your way again. So today, I'll be teaching you how to create a website using Canva. Um, Creating website using Canva from start to finish, and you can connect it to your hosting plan. If you have bought your domain and hosting, then you can connect it, and uh, it's a proper website. So the first thing you need to do is to go to canva.com and open an account with canva.com. So, but if you don't have account with canva.com, I have a video on that will show you how you can create your account on Canva. And like I said in the previous video, Canva have both premium and free version. So you can subscribe to their premium plan, uh, or you can use the free plan like I want to show you guys now. So when you're in this dashboard, what you need to do now to create that your website is come here and type website. So when you come here and type website, you click enter. It will bring out some website templates for you. So look at different types of website templates for you to use. So if you want to streamline your search, you can click on this category and click on business or social media or education or video or marketing or anything. You can streamline your video with that. So I'm going to use, let's see, okay, let me use this. So I'll just click on it. It will take you to this interface, and you click on customize this template. So when you click on customize this template, it's going to open another tab for you, and we'll start creating our website. So please just follow this step by step, and you can follow up and do your website from start to finish. So this is the website. So I can scroll down, look at each block and all that here. So I can now start customizing my website. So I can come here, click here, and say, "Experience excellence with us, your partner in business." So maybe first thing I'll do here is to bring out my logo. Then I'll remove this logo here and go to upload here, upload, and your logo drag and drop. So you can resize your logo like this, and your logo will be there. You know, you do your company logo well and all that. So um, you can also change this image by going to upload and bringing in your image. So let's say I want to change this right up. I'll just come here, click on it, click on this right up, then maybe add whatever text I want to add to it. Uh, Same way you can change this image also. Scroll down our services, you change this content, you can change everything you want to your own. You can change the client area, and you can also have this uh 3493 776. Okay, so you can also have your email here and your social media icon here, and you can also link it. You can also link it here. We see link, then you link and put your Facebook URL there. So that when people click it, takes them to Facebook. So uh, you can add more pages. When you scroll down here, you see add page. You can add more page if there are no more. If you want to add more pages to your website, and this, as you can see this now, the animation, look at the animation here. So this is animation, animated. You can select and choose any other animation you want to choose, or I can choose the entire container and make it animate like this, or make it animate like this. So when I am done editing everything I want to edit, or adding everything I want to add, then I'll click on preview. So when you click on preview, it's going to preview the website the way it's supposed to be, the way it will show. So uh, this is the website. So as you can see from here, sorry, let me show this here. Okay, so as you can see from here, we have resize on mobile and include navigation. So if I remove this navigation, the navigation bar will not show again on this website. As you can see, there's no navigation, so I can click include navigation, so that the navigation on it. So if I click on about, it takes us to the about. If you click on services, it takes us to services. If we click on testimonial, it takes us to testimonials. If I click on contact, it takes us to contact. You can also preview it on mobile view. So this is how it will look like on mobile view. Yeah, so I'll go ahead to close this. Then remember, you can add text, you can add icons, you can upload your images and all that on this. So when I am done with arranging everything I want to arrange, then I can now go back and click on publish websites. So when I'm publishing this website, Canva is going to give me uh, a place to customize, to add my website URL. So I can say SSB ICT solutions. So it will not be .my .canva .site. So I can now click on publish settings. Then I can add my website description. Yeah, and also I can click here to change the name. So I can now say SSB ICT solutions. So that's the name. I'll now put number one ICT solutions in Nigeria. So you know your whatever, your company description and all that. So I'll now go ahead to click publish website. So it's now preparing my website for me. So if you click on that particular URL, if you put that URL on your browser, you're going to see you're going to see my website. So you can click on visit website. It's not take you to the website. As you can see from here, ssbsolutions.mycanva.site. So if I click on about, takes us to about, click on services, take us, click on testimonial, take us, click on contact, take us to contact, and all that. So my website is already published. So one other thing again you can do is you can come back anytime to edit the design, or on your Canva, edit the design and to be affected on your website. So in publishing website, you will see custom. Sorry, let me do that again. Okay, so I can publish settings. Uh, okay, so here, as you can see, this is get a domain. So as you can see here is get a domain. So if I click on get a domain, it's going to take me to where I can purchase. I can purchase domain. Look at it here, free domain. This is free for Canva. This is purchase domain through Canva. Use my existing domain. So if you have existing domain you've got with any other company, so you can use this particular uh, use my existing domain. So um, that's also when you're done, your website is ready. So when anybody click on that website, takes them to your website. So thank you very much for this. My name still remains Dickon Shirley. And please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on your notification button so whenever I come your way again, you'll be able to see my video.